Gianni, ho provato tutte le combinazioni. Potrebbe trattarsi di un punto qualsiasi della città.
Cioè, vi rendete conto? L'ultimo incontro è tra pochi giorni e abbiamo scoperto tutto tranne un dettaglio.
In the video, you just now heard this sentence. And then you too heard this other sentence. The highlighted words are considered indefinite, meaning that they are imprecise in nature, and they can function as adjectives when they come before a noun, as in this example here, or alternatively, they can be pronouns that stand in place of the noun. There are many indefinite adjectives and pronouns, an enormous number in fact, so only a reference grammar can give you the complete picture. What all these words have in common, however, is that they are indefinite, meaning they do not indicate precise or exact characteristics in some way. Indefinite adjectives and pronouns are not only a very large group, but also a very complex one, so I'll try to give you some guidelines. Let's start with the first group. Some of these words can, in fact, be either adjectives used in front of a noun without an article, or pronouns that replace a noun, depending on how they are used. The ones you see vary in gender, masculine and feminine, and in number, singular or plural. On the other hand, this second group consists only of pronouns and usually does not change between masculine and feminine or between singular and plural. In other words, they are invariable. Now let's look at some particular cases. The main one is this. Use in singular negative sentences. In the plural, however, it has a positive and affirmative meaning, which is rather strange and complex. If the indefinite adjective refers to a noun that also has a possessive adjective in front of it, the order is very precise in the sentence. First you put the indefinite adjective, then the possessive adjective without the article, and finally the noun. The video will present you with 3 tables showing the characteristics of the main indefinite adjectives and pronouns. You can pause the video at each table to study them carefully, but to get a complete overview you should still refer to a grammar book such as Grammatica Italiana Plus, that is, a reference grammar where you can find all the possible cases, which are dozens and dozens.